Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Plantronics Voyager 5200 updated. First, power on the headset and enter pairing mode by holding the call button until the LED flashes blue and red. Next, open your phone settings, enable Bluetooth, and scan for devices. Tap Plantronics Voyager 5200 when it appears and accept any pairing requests. Finally, test audio by playing a short clip or making a quick call to confirm connection. If pairing fails, try simple fixes that usually do the trick. Power cycle both the Voyager 5200 and your phone, then retry pairing from scratch. If audio cuts out, forget the device in your Bluetooth settings, then repair cleanly. Low battery can block pairing, so charge the headset before trying again. For persistent issues, check for firmware updates via the Plantronics app or support resources and follow the update prompts carefully. Once connected, explore settings to make the Voyager 5200 truly yours. Install the Plantronics Hub app to change voice prompts, update language, and view battery status with ease. Turn on multi-point mode to pair the headset with two devices simultaneously, making switching between phone and laptop seamless. Use the app to remap controls and adjust audio preferences so calls sound clearer. Small tweaks here improve everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.